In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio website in Webflow. We'll walk through a clean, beginner-friendly flow that gets you from opening your project to enabling a powerful publishing helper, all while keeping things organized and safe. Start by opening your Webflow project for your portfolio. You'll land on the site's dashboard, and from there, head into the area shown on screen. Click the highlighted control so we can interact with the page. Then place your cursor in the highlighted field and type into it. This lets us quickly surface the resource we need. When the highlighted result appears, click it to continue. You should now see a card or banner that reads something like, "Schedule your CMS updates, HTML element styling, and site publishing, all in one place." Go ahead and select that. It will bring up a panel with more details. Choose the option to open the full listing so you can see everything in one place. Inside the listing, switch to the Apps view to confirm you're looking at an official Webflow app entry. Then open the Description tab. Take a moment to read through what the tool does. In short, it helps you manage scheduled CMS updates, tweak styling safely, and publish your portfolio with fewer clicks. Great for keeping case studies and galleries fresh without manual late-night publish sessions. Next, move to the Permissions tab. This is important. Review exactly what access the app requests, typically things like reading and writing CMS items, reading and writing custom code, e-commerce access if relevant, and site-level actions. Make sure this aligns with what you need for a portfolio. If anything looks unfamiliar, pause and double-check. Only proceed when you're comfortable. When you're ready, click Install on site. Webflow will guide you into an authorization screen for the app. Choose Authorize to continue. You'll then be asked to select the specific sites or workspaces that should have access. Click to open the site and workspace picker. Select the correct portfolio project and confirm. Limiting scope to just the site you need is a best practice for security and clarity. With your selections in place, click Authorize App to grant access. For this walkthrough, I'll now click Cancel so we don't modify the demo environment. But in your own build, you can complete authorization to finish setup. That's it. You've located the app, reviewed what it does, checked permissions, and walked through installation. This keeps your portfolio workflow tidy, your content timely, and your publishing process streamlined. Keep your credentials private, authorize only what you need, and you'll be set for